In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your Shopify store no matter how many sales you currently have. I just sold one of my own dropshipping stores that I created at the beginning of this year, and it's never been easier to do so. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first option that I had for you guys is actually going away. I noticed this last night when I was planning out everything for this video. But at the top of the Exchange marketplace, this is a platform offered by Shopify. I'm sure many of you have heard of this or actually used it in the past. But the message at the top says the Exchange marketplace will be decommissioned on November 1st, 2022 and will no longer be available for merchants to buy or sell their stores. Merchants with current listings will need to be contacted by email. So this is the Shopify Exchange right here. It was one of the major platforms to buy or sell your Shopify store on. And I've actually noticed nothing but problems lately with this website and this platform as a whole. When I was going through the actual process of selling my own business, I dealt with nothing but negatives on this website myself and had a ton of problems pop up as well. So I actually didn't end up selling through this website. I'll go over the one I did sell through in just a moment. But now that this major platform is gone in literally 3 days, this just leaves a handful of options. Yeah, you guys can sell on another similar website just like this that I'll go over in just a moment. Or you guys can actually find a private buyer for your store, whether that's, social media, word of mouth, or some sort of networking. But it's definitely easier to just go through and list them on websites like this, whether you're looking to buy a new Shopify store or sell your current Shopify store. So let's go over the next best option right now. All right, so your current best option to buy and sell Shopify stores is now Flippa. That's flippa.com. So this is the homepage that you'll see when you go on this website. If you guys just scroll down a little bit, you'll see a bunch of listings for sale. We can actually go ahead and look at some e-commerce businesses right here. If you guys click the browse feature at the top, you guys can look at websites, apps, different investments, domains, and different types of collections. We'll go on websites, e-commerce, and then they have specifically Shopify, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, digital products, or inventory holding. We'll just go ahead and click on different Shopify stores. Let me go back to that. We're gonna see all of the different available Shopify listings that are for sale on Flippa right now, the different niches, the different prices, and everything that's included in each listing. So you guys can see right here, this business is for sale for $40,000, $30,000, $380,000, $60,000, $1.7 million. So there's gonna be a very big range of prices on this website. But each business is unique. You guys can read about each business by clicking on the listing. Some of them will be more private because they don't want people just going and copying their products or their niche or stealing their audience or any of that. Because I know a lot of drop shippers will actually go on Flippa or the Exchange websites to find new products to sell. You guys can actually look at their history of sales and everything as well. So if you guys want to sell your own Shopify store, you'll just go ahead and click sell now at the top right here in the upper right hand corner. And then you just want to go ahead and enter your website to get started. They're going to ask you a few questions about your sales, how you guys conduct business, if you guys are a dropshipping store or if you hold your own inventory, what kind of assets you want to transfer, is your advertising account included? Are your social media accounts included? Are you, including any inventory? Are you passing over all of your suppliers? What exactly is included in this listing? The more that you guys include with your brand, the higher price that you can actually sell your business for. But just go ahead and explore this website, Flippa, a little bit, go through some of their FAQs. If you guys are unsure, ask me some questions since I've posted some listings on here myself. But this is definitely a great option to sell your Shopify store when you guys are interested and ready to do so. After watching this video, you now know how to sell your Shopify store, whether it has $1,000 or $1 million in sales. Flippa will help you value your business and get you paid fast. If you want to learn how to build and grow a dropshipping store quickly, consider signing up for my free course below. And if this video helped you out, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.